Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use a Union Bank virtual credit card, right? The first step is get a virtual credit card. The first step is to obtain a virtual credit card through the free digital card service Click to Pay, which work with any online merchant that show the EMV. You can sign up for the Click to Pay through the Union Bank website or mobile app. The second step, access the card details. Once you have the virtual credit card, log in into your online credit card account and go to your account settings. For Union Bank, there should be an option to access the virtual credit number. You may also need to download the virtual card issuer app to access the card number. Step 3. Use the virtual card. Once you have the 16-digit virtual card number, expiration date and security code, you can use this information for online purchase in the same way you would use your physical credit card. Simply enter the virtual credit card details at checkout when making an online purchase. Step 4. Activate the virtual card. Some virtual credit card may require activation before use. To activate your Union Bank virtual credit card, follow the instruction provided by the bank or virtual card issuer. So this is it. You know how to use a Union Bank virtual credit card in this year. I hope you found this video really useful.